What else you can do with the birth chart? This one represent the childhood. This one represent the head portion and also represent the parents or the ancestor. If you look at this, men on top, women below. So father on top, mother below. Mother sits a Zhen Yin. Means the mother is a very good mother. The father sits a Si Shen. Working, maybe a bit more carefree freedom. This one also represent the father. Got a bit of 偏硬 and Si Shen. 一点 a bit like the work not maybe not very stable also. So house poor or rich. Cannot say poor, cannot say rich. Then you can look at is the sensak. You scroll down, scholar, student. So the parents, dragon, tiger, tattoo, don't have lah. Maybe got 文化 one. The family is not the rugged family, but got 洋人. 洋人 we know is a knife. Where is 洋人? Where is 学士? Where is 匠心? Refer to textbook. 学士. This also say when he young, he completed his education. Then 匠心. So the family maybe running their own business. According to this customer, the parents doing their own business. And 洋人 is a knife. Sometimes 洋人 can be positive, but in his birth chart, it seems like not a positive attribute. Why? Because the 洋人 is the horse. Horse punishment star. So can you see? The 洋人against each other. This can be a sign of bankruptcy. This can be a sign of father's early death. Sometimes this fire can represent the heart. Sometimes can suddenly heart attacks or 中风, stroke, suddenly die. So don't activate the fire lor. Always keep cool. Drink a lot of water. Then those high cholesterol, don't eat because you're activating the fire in the chart. Control the money properly because bankruptcy, right? Here got 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair of self-punishment. That means I punish myself. You got into trouble because you asked for it. People tell you, don't listen, you still want to do. 己害自己啦. The horse is the 洋人. This one, 地旺. Mountain earth meets horse is 洋人. 地旺 means from below you climb until become boss. After become a boss, you have to come down, you have to retire. 地旺 is going downwards. This 八字, if too extreme, will be in deep shit. This one must have a good balance in character, perspective, attitude. This one must use this technique. 神安. Show hand. Go casino, show hand. Finish. Cannot show hand. This 八字 cannot show hand. Some 八字 can, but not this 八字. You look, these are all mountains, right? Can you see the fire? This looks like fire mountain or not? See, this is the mountain. Below are all the fire. It's like lava. So waiting for explosion only. So don't activate the volcano eruption. How? Stay calm.